Hello students. So today we'll continue lesson 7 cyber ethics. So today we'll study about the MIT, that is the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and this MIT grants the permissive permissions to the user of the software that the rights to use, copy, modify, merge, publish, and distribute. It also gives the some license or license to sell the copies of the software without any limitation and restrictions. So the condition this license imposes is that the permission notice must be included in all the copies or the substantial portions of the software. So in all open source software and all the derived software of the MIT must include the permission notice. Next is the Apache license version 2.0. This is also the open source software license and it provides a number of rights to users, and the rights can be applied to both the copyrights and the patents. So this rights is given if you take the copyrights, and that also this rights will continue. If you take the patent on the derived work, then also the rights will be applicable on that. So now the rights to use, modify, sell or reproduce software that the Apache license grants are. So what are that rights? That is the perpetual. These do not have any expiry date. The rights given to this Apache license version 2.0 does not have any expiry date. You can continue to use the software forever, worldwide. So the rights granted in one country are recognized throughout the world. That is the non-exclusive. Now the multiple developers can given the license at the same time. Free of cost, the rights are granted at no charge. No fees will be taken from the developer. Royalty free. So no royalty fees is charged on the sale of the modified version of the software. Next is the irrevocable. So rights once granted on this software may not be retracted or repealed. So that rights cannot be taken back, cannot be repealed. Next is the copyleft license. So this copyleft license offer users the right to run, study, share, modify and distribute of copies and modified versions of the software with the condition that the same rights be preserved for its derivatives also. So copyleft license means requires that the source code must be made available to the recipients. So the source files usually contain a copy of the license term and acknowledge the authors. So what does this copyleft license? Copyleft means the copyright you are leaving on from the software, so that anyone can distribute it, anyone can sell it, and the same rights will also be available to the recipient also who is receiving that software. Now the GNU GPL license, that is the general public license, are intended to guarantee the users freedom to share and change all versions of the program and to make sure it remains a free software for all its users. That is the general public license. Now the general public license is the most widely used free software license. It is a copyleft license, which means that the derivative work can also be distributed under the same license terms as the original software is distributed. So the software may be distributed with or without any change. So this is all for the today students. In the next class we'll discuss about the GNU license, which is the general public license, and the Eclipse public license, and the common development and distribution license. So this is all for today. Thank you for your kind attention.